Hi everybody. All right, so today I wanted to go through some basic neck stretches, mobilizations, exercises you can do if you've got a little twinge in your neck feels stiff. A lot of different things go into working with the neck, and this is by no means a general rule for everybody. If you have some neck pain, you have something that's been bothering you, make sure you talk to your physical therapist or healthcare provider. This is not meant to diagnose or treat anything in a specific individual. I just wanted to go through a couple of stretches and talk about a couple of things to do during the day if your neck, like I said, gets stiff. You wake up in the morning with a stiff neck, or you've been working and your neck bothers you a little bit. Just a couple of quick things. Posture is one of the main things. I know I talk a lot about posture, and there's some other things we've done with posture. But if you're sitting at the computer and you're all rounded forward, or you're driving and you're like that, it puts your neck in a bad position. Your eyes want to maintain a horizontal position so they can keep track of the horizon. And the more you slouch, the more that's going to put more pressure on your neck. So if we look from the side, if you're sitting and you're slouched in your desk, your head has to come up to maintain that horizon. So if you go to sit up, that head stays down and forward, putting that big pressure in the neck. So a couple of things to work on during the day. Just sitting up tall, getting those shoulders back, and as you do that, you've got to most likely bring your head back. So I usually tell people, think about a turtle pulling its head in its shell. Just nice and easy, pulling that head back. You're not looking up, you're not putting your chin down to your chest, you're just pulling back nice and easy like that, okay? So if we look at it from the side, you're up tall and you're just pulling back like that, nice and easy. If anything, you feel a little bit of a pull here, okay? Now with anything that you do, if you feel pain or pressure with any of these movements or exercises, stop, don't pass go, make sure you get in touch with somebody to make sure they take a closer look to see what your specific issue is, okay? Next, I want to go through just a couple of basic stretches. So first one, you're going to sit up tall. If you can get your hand behind your back, do that. If not, you don't have to worry about that. Get your other hand across your head, and you're going to pull your ear down towards your shoulder. Nice and easy, okay? If you feel it start to pull here, okay, don't go to here thinking more is better. But you want to be up tall, you're not pulling down forward, you're not turning the head, just nice and easy, pull down and relax. Down and relax. Nice and easy to stretch this side of the neck. Do the same thing on the other side. Like I said, if you can get your arm behind there, just puts the shoulder blade in a different position and just accentuates that stretch a little more. Just nice and easy, back and forth, okay? Next one you're gonna do, I call this one the deodorant test. So you're gonna look over towards your shoulder, you're gonna take that hand, reach through the middle of your head, and pull your nose down towards your armpit. You should feel that pull in the back of the shoulder here a little bit. Again, you only go as far as you can comfortably. More isn't better with this. Just nice and easy, down and up. If you can take this hand and try and reach back and touch your shoulder blade, again, that puts a maximal stretch on that muscle, positions your shoulder blade a little differently, makes that more effective. Those stretches, I usually do about 5 or 10 of them, but I only hold them for a second or two. I don't feel you get as much benefit holding something for 30 seconds or a minute. Not that that's wrong if someone else has told you that. I've just found with my people that you tend to get a more effective stretch, especially someone who's in pain. If you just ease up to where it hurts and back off, keep doing that, the body will realize, okay, we can relax a little more and we won't have the pain, okay? Next, I want to go through just a couple basic towel stretches. A little bath towel or towel from the bathroom or a kitchen towel works just good, just fine. Down around the neck, You're gonna put the towel kind of down around your shoulders. You're gonna pull forward with the towel as you look back. Again, just nice and easy. You're not going very far with this. What we're doing with the towel is we're stabilizing the vertebrae in the bottom of the neck so you can stretch the top of the neck a little bit. So lean back like that, nice and easy. You're gonna pull forward as you lean back. You can slide that up a little bit and do the same thing. The farther up you go, the less movement you're going to have, but it's still a good thing to do, okay? After you do a couple of those, you can slide up, get the towel under the neck, under the ears, up nice and tall. And what you're gonna do, relax the neck, and you're gonna keep your one hand still, your other hand, my right hand in this case, you're gonna pull forward. As you do that, if your head's relaxed, your head will turn the opposite way. You relax that right hand, my left hand's gonna pull forward now. And if my head's relaxed, it's gonna turn my head to the right. It's just a nice easy stretch. Imagine laying on your back and someone holding your head and just turning side to side. You can do this lying down as well. If you lie down, your head stays relaxed and you can pull back and forth like that. Not sure how well you'll be able to see this, but same thing, towel under the ears, and you're just gonna relax the head, pull straight up to the ceiling. Like I said, if your head is relaxed, you'll be able to, your head will turn. But the key is to make sure you're pulling straight ahead. Don't turn, trying to turn your head. You're pulling straight up, and if your head's relaxed, you will actually turn. So those are just a couple basic neck stretches to do. We'll be doing more where we show some more exercises and activities the more you get into it. Just a couple of basic things to do, no real equipment needed, and you can do those multiple times during the day. You can do them first thing in the morning when you get up, after you've gotten up and brushed your teeth and done everything. Do them during your work day, do them at the end of the day to loosen up and get things ready for the end of the day. All right, guys, thanks.